Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I would love it if you subscribed and stuck around. My name is Katie and I am a first-time mom. I'm currently 35 weeks pregnant with a baby boy, and yeah, so I figured I would show you guys what I'm going to pack in my hospital bag for labor and delivery. I'm also going to be showing you what I'm packing for the baby as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I currently have everything right here next to me in just a carry-on suitcase. I figured that would be a lot easier than a duffel bag. Before I get started, I do want to say, if you are new here or you just didn't know this, my husband is in the military and he is currently out to sea, or deployed, technically speaking. It's like a 50-50 chance that he's going to make the berth. I will be packing him a small duffel bag just in case, and just to have ready, but obviously he doesn't need much. He just needs like a couple outfits, underwear, toiletries, stuff like that. So I'm not going to show his stuff. If you guys don't mind, just say a little prayer for me and him, because I'm praying he makes it. This is our first baby. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm packing for myself and the baby. Okay, so we'll start with toiletries first. In labor, you're gonna feel a little gross. You're gonna want to shower. I know I'm gonna want to shower. I know some people don't really care, but I'm definitely planning on showering if it's gonna make me feel more comfortable. I just have my toiletries in this little bag right here. I have some body wash. I just have this Dove body wash. There's no scent to it. So then I also have my loofah. I travel, this is my traveling loofah. I can't go anywhere without this because I just love a loofah over a washcloth. Then I don't know if I'm gonna wash my hair or not. I guess it really just depends on how gross I'm really feeling. So I gave myself a couple options. I do have some shampoo and conditioner, just some Tresemme, and if I'm not gonna wash my hair, I of course have some dry shampoo. Cannot go anywhere without this. So and obviously if my husband's with me and he wants to wash his hair, he can use the shampoo and he can also use the same body wash. Then I also have some deodorant, of course. This is my current favorite deodorant. It's the Secret Outlast Sweat and Odor, so I'm packing a full size of this just because I had an extra. Then if I don't wash my hair, if my hair is fine, I did pack this little cheap 99-cent shower cap that I got from Walmart. I have a nicer one at home, so I can just toss this whenever I'm done with it, less than $1. So I just pack this just in case if I'm not going to wash my hair. And then just as far as skincare goes, I'm not bringing my whole skincare routine. It's for a couple days stay. Hopefully it's not that long. I do just have some makeup remover wipes, then just a little travel size face wash. This is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. And then I have my moisturizer, which is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. So if I want to wash my face or just freshen up, then I have some skincare products. I'm also bringing some lotion and some chapstick because I've heard from everyone that your skin is so dry because there's so much breathing going on. You're just in the hospital, it's a dry place to begin with. So I do have, and this lotion is non-scented, so it should be okay if the baby touches me. And I have this on, and then my favorite chapstick, which is the Carmex lip balm. And of course I have toothbrush and toothpaste, which obviously my husband or whoever is with me can use this as well. And then I just have my own toothbrush. For my hair, I'm just gonna bring a hairbrush, my little travel size wet brush, just a little clip, some little hair ties. These are just little hair ties that don't put the creases in your hair. And then I have some bobby pins. We'll also be packing my hair straightener, but that's gonna be one of my last minute things I grab, I think, just because I don't need to pack it at this moment. So that's all of my toiletries for myself. Obviously I'm going to bring makeup. I know some people are you don't need makeup, you're in labor. I'm not wearing makeup in labor unless I'm already wearing makeup, but I do want to put makeup on after I'm cleaned up and I'm freshened up, ready for some pictures. That will be one of my last minute items I grab as well. So next stuff is, I guess, the more fun postpartum toiletries, which from what I've heard, obviously the hospital provides a lot, but I think it really depends on your hospital too, and just whatever's comfortable for you personally. Because I am packing some Dermaplast, which I know It's one of those items that people say the hospital provides. I did talk to a girl who gave birth at the same hospital I'm gonna give birth at, and she said she did not get dermaplast. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna pack the can I already had just in case. Better safe than sorry. I want to feel comfortable. Like if I hear from someone that they didn't get this, then I'm gonna pack it anyways, and then if I happen to get some, use this at home. But definitely bringing this just in case, because you never know. Like, you honestly never know. So there's that. And then I'm also bringing just a couple sets of nursing pads. I know my milk is not going to come in like immediately, but just in case, I just have a couple. These are just the little samples I received. They're not like from my actual box of nursing pads, so if I don't use them in the hospital, it's fine. I'll just use them at home. A lot of this stuff, if I don't use it in the hospital, then I'm still going to use it at home regardless. So I'm also bringing just a couple little samples of nipple cream. This is another one of those things that the hospital probably provides. I don't know, because I am giving birth in a pandemic, so I can't go do hospital tours. I can't go see what they actually provide. And just to be better safe than sorry, I'm just bringing my little sample sizes. I'm not going to bring my full-size container because it's not that important, like fresh out of labor, but just some little sample size of nipple cream. Like I said, if I don't use it there, then I will definitely use it whenever I get home. And then the fun stuff, I am bringing 2 of these Always adult diapers. I know a lot of people really liked these over the hospital mesh panties. For comfort reasons, a lot of people said that they felt more comfortable in these. I mean, that's the point, is you want to be as comfortable as possible. I feel like 2 is plenty, because who knows, I may be one of those people who love the hospital ones that they provide, or I may not. I don't know. It's just one of those things, you have to try it and see. So now let's get into the clothing that I'm bringing for myself. I'm bringing a travel laundry bag. I got this from TJ Maxx. It just zips up into this little small pouch, which is very nice. So you just unzip it and it pulls out into a laundry bag. And I love being able to just throw dirty clothes in a separate bag whenever I travel. I don't want to throw my dirty clothes on top of clean clothes, of course. Anything that gets kind of nasty, we can just throw it in here, and then it's not touching anything that was clean. And then I am bringing a robe. I feel like a robe is a very common item for moms to bring. This is from Pink Blush. Blush can be expensive, which I know, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I found my pink blush robe on Poshmark, brand new with tags. I saved a good $20 on this robe. It just looks like that. It's very soft and stretchy and lightweight. And I do have a Swaddle and Hat Set for the baby that will match this, which I will show you guys a little bit later. This is just so beautiful. Look at this print. It's just so springy and summery. It's got the lace detail. I just love this because I get hot very easily, but I know I wanted a robe just for, like, you know, pictures and just feeling comfortable. Okay, so I am bringing a pajama set, which is another thing a lot of moms bring. And I got these from Target. I will try to link anything I can down below for you guys. This is the Stars Above brand, and I know what you're thinking. Why are you bringing a light color to the hospital? Yes, I know. I'm kind of scared for these, but this is the only color they had in stock at the time, and I just wanted to go ahead and get them, be prepared. So I'm hoping these don't get too dirty, but then again, I'm not going to put on any of my like robe, pajamas, anything like that until I'm like showered and like cleaned up. I just got the set that comes with the shorts. Then it's just the button up top, which is what a lot of people like to have for nursing because I do plan on breastfeeding. Also going to bring 1 nursing bra. This came in a pack of 3. I got from Amazon. Unclip, you can nurse, and then it just clips right back. And all 3 bras were like 30 bucks, so $10 a bra, you really can't beat that. Already washed these, tried it on, dried them, and these are so nice. This is the brand, if you can see that. It's like Hofish or something like that. But I will link these down below because these are so nice and comfortable. I'm just gonna bring 1. If I remember whenever I go into labor to already have one on, then I will. But if not, then I'll at least have one packed. Slippers. So I am a slipper gal. Like, if you see me around my house, I am wearing slippers. So these are not my normal like slippers that I wear every day. These are brand new from TJ Maxx. They were on clearance for like $5, so really not that expensive. And they have the grips on the back, so perfect for walking around the hospital floor. And I just thought these are really cute because they're like sandal type things. Because yes, I love my slippers, but like I said, I do get hot easily, but I still wear my slippers. I figured it would be nice just to already have a pair packed so that I'm not bringing my slippers that I wear around my house and got dirty. Yeah, so I'll just bring these. These have been washed as well. They wash and dry well, and these are just so cute. So got those just for walking around. Show you what I have for my coming home outfit. Gave myself 2 options. I know some people say that they want something tight just to feel more like sucked in, but then I know a lot of people say they wanted something more loose, like a little dress. And then again, who knows if I have a C-section, which I pray I don't, but at least I do have an option in here just in case. Here is my more loose fitting outfit. I will also link this down below because this came from Amazon. It didn't have that many reviews, but I really like it because this is a nursing nightgown. That's what it's under because it does button. And I like this for a couple different reasons. I liked it because it's stripes. I love stripes. And then also it doesn't button all the way down. It just buttons like 3/4 of the way. It doesn't look as nightgowny, I guess you could say. I mean, so this will be nice if I want something more loose. If I do have a C-section, I will have an option as tight. And then if I am wanting something more tight, I just have leggings. These are not maternity leggings, but these still fit me well even 35 weeks pregnant. So these are just from Walmart, like $4 from Walmart. So I'm just packing a pair of black leggings. Then just an oversized t-shirt. T-shirt is oversized on me even now being so pregnant. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it so then it's there. So before we get to the baby stuff, one last thing is some snacks. Since I am giving birth during COVID, I'm 99% sure we're not allowed to leave once we're there. Like, no one can't like bring me food or bring my husband or whoever's with me food. I'm gonna bring some snacks. I know I can't eat during labor, but whoever's with me can eat these, or even after I've had the baby, if I want a little snack, I just have a little bag of snacks. And I put like 3 different types of snacks. So I have some Cheez-It snack mix for something more savory, and then I just have some fruit snacks and some chocolate. So obviously not the healthiest snacks, but who knows, we may not even be there long enough to even dig into these. Probably try to bring a few quarters just in case for like the vending machine, if whoever wants to go grab something from the vending machine. Now let's get into the fun stuff for the baby. Okay, so for the baby, obviously this is not like for him, it's mostly like for me. But I'm bringing my letter board, and I've already taped the letters to the back so they're there. But obviously I'm gonna want to take pictures of him to announce his birth, just for like memories for myself, and you know, just be that mom who has the letter board. And then let's get into his stuff. I just put all his things in this little plastic container to keep separate and more together. First thing I'm bringing is the baby Shusher. I've watched a bunch of these what's in my hospital bag videos, and some people said that they liked having a sound machine. Some people never even mentioned it. I figured if I use this, cool. If I don't, it's not a big deal. Because it is travel friendly. It just takes batteries. It doesn't need to be plugged in. Or just with the nurses coming in and out, it's kind of hard to relax. So I'm gonna bring this just in case. And then I do just have a little pack of water wipes. I know the hospital definitely provides some sort of wipes, but I figured I'd have these in here just in case. Who knows, I could always use these on myself to freshen up a little bit if I really wanted to. But if not, it's not a big deal. So just packing a little pack of water wipes. I'm gonna bring 2 mini pacifiers for him. I'm just gonna bring one, and I did go ahead and put it on his little clip. Pacifier is so tiny, so I don't want to lose it, so I just went ahead and put it on this little clip. All I'm going to bring as far as like a pacifier for him. Also, I'm just going to bring one pair of socks and one pair of mittens. Socks and the mittens are mostly for whenever he's coming home, because I do know more than likely he's going to be swaddled for the most part, but just for coming home, I do have a pair of socks and a pair of mittens for him. I am bringing one blanket. I figure this blanket could be used for multiple different things. It can be used as like his photo backdrop, and also cover his car seat with this, or just snuggle with him in this. Elephants on it, it's just gray and white. And then here is the Swaddle and Hat Set that I talked about earlier to match my robe. I will link this down below because I love this. It's such good quality, lightweight, soft fabric. And this is from Milkmaid Goods. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it's like a seafoam green color to match my robe. Let me find my robe so I can show you guys. So here's my robe, and then here's what the little hat set will look like with it. And then it just came with the swaddle. Just a very nice, soft, stretchy material. Like I said, I know more than likely he's going to be swaddled the whole time. Just in case, if we're there for longer than we think, I am going to bring two little sleepers. May not even wear these, which that's totally fine. And then the last thing I have for him is his like coming home outfit. 0 to 3 month size, which I hope doesn't like swallow him. It's just this little onesie from Cloud Island that says new to the crew. Super cute. I have some black pants to go with it, and I do have him a hat to wear also that I got monogrammed with his name, and it just says Carter, and I got it in gray stitching. This is going to be his coming home outfit. I figured hopefully with it being so hot in the summer, short sleeves will be okay for him to wear just to come home. We don't live too far from the hospital, so I think this will be very cute for him to wear. That is everything. Obviously, like I mentioned, there are a couple last minute things I'm going to bring. I will put my little list right here of everything that I'm going to pack last minute, like things like chargers, makeup, stuff like that that I'm still using. Please let me know if there is something that I just got. Feel pretty confident in this, but if you notice that there's something like, yeah, you need that, then definitely let me know in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I can't believe he's going to be here in about a month or take. I hope he stays in, fingers crossed, just because like I mentioned at the beginning, I would love for my husband to be here, but military life, so not what you want, not what you planned. So yeah, just say a little prayer for me for that. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.